What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the throttle vlog. Today we've got more Subaru STI content for you. If you guys don't follow our channel and this is the first time you've watched our videos, we are giving this car away. You can enter to win this car by heading over to our website. Every dollar you spend is one entry to win this Subaru STI that we're giving away. Today I'm gonna go ahead and tackle a couple little tasks. One of those being our new steering wheel. So this is a takeoff wheel that we bought from another Subaru enthusiast, and basically he bought a damned aftermarket steering wheel for his car. So this thing is like brand new. It was removed from his car with only a few thousand miles on it, so that's awesome. That'll really help freshen up the interior. Another thing was Cartboy made us our own dead pedal. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this old tired one. It's actually bent, with the nice Cartboy unit, which is a really solid chunk of aluminum with the Sweet Throttle logo on it and the Cartboy logo. It's a custom piece, really cool. And then I'm also gonna install our premium auto styling third brake light tint. So we're gonna go ahead and actually just darken this up a little bit so it's not white anymore. It'll just be like a smoke color, which will help blend in with the rear window a little bit and the carbon fiber wing. I think once it's on, you won't really even notice the third brake light, which is cool. And last but not least, probably the easiest install I'll ever do. We've got a new product that we're gonna be releasing very soon. And these are our throtl version 2 valve stem caps. If you guys are a VIP member, you've seen our valve stem caps. This is a cool new version that we've got out now. Comes with a little keychain wrench with a throttle emblem. And then you've got your 4 throttle emblem caps. And these are anodized aluminum. Very nice little product. Comes in a cool little bag that you can use for whatever you like, storing things. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed that little GoPro head mount action. Leave us a comment down in the comment section if you like that type of footage. I'm going to try to start doing more of that for you guys. I think it's a more hands-on view. But if it's too shaky or makes you feel sick watching videos, definitely speak up and let us know. Otherwise, we're going to keep doing it because it's actually a really nice hands-free way for me to film and bring you guys like the actual what I'm doing content. So as you saw in that GoPro footage content, we've got the steering wheel installed. It's really hard to see that red stitching. Well, there you go. But it's really nice. This is a really crispy, fresh wheel. Our airbag with the STI logo and everything has been repositioned onto the newer wheel, and I think we're looking pretty good. It's time to move on to the dead pedal, which I've already removed, as you guys saw on the table. So I'm gonna grab the Cartboy part and go ahead and toss that in. We're gonna give you some more GoPro head cam footage. Maybe we should call it the beard cam. I don't know. Come up with a name. Leave it in the comment section. All right, well, I just tossed in the dead pedal from Cartboy. Looks good. Went ahead and threw on some Meguiar's products, cleaned up the carpeting and the mats. Now, I will mention we did order new carpet mats for this car. We're waiting on those from Subaru. They should be here any day now. All right, Eva has given this a shot once already. I'm gonna give this carpet and upholstery cleaner from Meguiar's a little shot. We've got some staining on here. We don't know if this is pet stains. We don't know if this is from a child's seat. We're not sure, but.
What are all those stains?
Either way, it has to come off or it needs to be replaced. So we're gonna give it one final effort with this Meguiar's stuff and see if it works. Cross your fingers. All right, well, I'm scrubbing this rear seat. I get a knock at the door. It's not too often we get deliveries these days around here because of the quarantine. Kearney Mesa Subaru stopped by with a little delivery for us, which is pretty exciting because we're working on Subaru content, and now a bunch of our OEM Subaru parts showed up. You guys know how much I love my OEM parts. So to show you what we got our new rear badges for the trunk, for the hatch. This is the Subaru badge, this is the Impreza STI badge. So those are gonna wait to go on until the car is really close to completion. Just in case we need to do any buffing or detailing or whatever work, we don't wanna mess these up because these are expensive. We also did get the badge for the front grille. So this will go on our Sabon grille. And we also got the center switch panel because our knob right here was completely peeling and it's looking really rugged. You can't just buy the knob, unfortunately, you gotta buy the whole unit. We also picked up the plastic corner pieces that go on our wiper cowl because those were missing on the car when we got it. And then, like I said earlier in the video, a fresh set of floor mats. So those will look really nice once we get the carpets all detailed up. I'm really excited with the way this interior is gonna turn out. We've actually got some other things planned as well for this interior, such as some dash accents and things like that. I'm gonna keep cranking away on this seat. It looks like it's coming up pretty clean, which I'm pretty happy with. I went ahead and soaked that Meguiar's carpet and upholstery cleaner, let it just kind of do its thing. Went back and brushed it. And I think we've got about 97 or 98% of all the stains out of the rear seat. I think when it's all dried up and done, I think it's gonna look like pretty much a new seat. So we'll go ahead and do the same treatment to the front seats as well. Those of you with a keen eye will see that we have the mirrors back on the car. Now these have been off in all of our recent photo shoots and media because we're waiting on a set of carbon fiber rally mirrors to come in that match the rest of the carbon on the car. However, we've been waiting on those for a couple months, so we decided to just go ahead, toss our stock mirrors back on. They are satin black to match the roof, the front lip, and all the carbon on the car. This is not trim black, guys. So this is basically painted black, clear coated with a matte clear that gives it the same look as our roof. And now that those are on, I was also able to get the door panels in, which we've been waiting to do until the mirrors were on because they mount up here and these all work together. On top of those items, I went ahead and actually dropped the headliner out. If you guys are interested in how to suede wrap your headliner, you can follow our how-to video. You click the link down below for that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it turned out. We ordered a dark gray. This was pretty much a black headliner before. It matched these really closely. These are like a super deep gray, and we went with a dark gray suede inside that matches the suede inserts on our STI seats. So basically what that did was it refreshed the interior. It gave a little bit better smell inside, because a lot of times these carpets and anything textile inside the car is what holds a lot of the odors in a car, in a used car. So by doing that headliner, it definitely added sort of a new car feel to the interior, which is really nice. And the fact that it isn't as dark as the old headliner makes it a little brighter inside. And with tinted windows, that little bit of brightness actually goes a long way. And I'll give you guys a little look here. And you can see it matches the back seats really nice. Well, it's hard to tell because of the lighting, but take my word for it, it does. This looks lighter than it is because of the light hitting it directly, but I can promise you that it's very similar, and we are happy with the overall result. One thing I want to address really quick is that you guys saw us install some premium auto styling yellow inserts into our vents down there, and it was an overwhelming amount of you guys that absolutely hated those things, and so we took them off. As you can see, they're no longer there. The good thing is they're just vinyl, so they come off really easy. They were off in less than 30 seconds, and I will be honest with you, I hated them straight out of the gate, but it's always nice to put something on the car and let our fans decide if they like it or not. And we had an overwhelming amount of you guys say, get rid of them. So we did. I've got a new one for you. I went ahead and applied another piece of the premium fluoro yellow because we wanted to try to get some more fluoro yellow on the back of the car. There's really none on the back. So I went ahead and added a little stripe to the top of the wing. Curious to see what you guys think of that. It definitely draws more attention to the wing itself. I had the same stripe on the Ric Flair wagon when I built that car, and I thought it looked good. I don't mind it here in this application, and the nice thing is it is just a sticker. So if we don't like it, we take it off. But we want to know what you guys think. Leave us some comments in the comment section. What about this stripe? Should we leave it? Should we rip it off? Let us know. All right, guys, so that's all the time I have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this updated STI content. We're gonna keep plugging away till this thing is fully complete, but it's a lot of little projects that still need to be tidied up. So we're gonna keep cranking away, and we'll bring you guys along for the ride.
What's up, guys? Before we end today's video, I actually want to leave you with some really good news. So I just heard from Delicious Tuning. We are finally going to be dynoing this car. So next week we have a dyno day scheduled with Delicious Tuning. Now, of course, we're gonna be careful. We're probably gonna drop the car off. We're gonna be wearing masks, staying as far back away as possible. But I'm just super excited to actually be able to drive the car hard and finally to know what this car actually puts down on the dyno. Now, we have a lot of other projects in store for this car too. Mickey kind of alluded to earlier. We're gonna be redoing the interior. We got lots of bits and pieces coming in the mail. We also have an audio system we're gonna be doing on this car. So really trying to improve all those creature comforts that, try to make this thing a little bit more modern feeling on the inside. There's two other announcements I want to make. One is we are hosting a weekly digital car show called Battle of the Builds right now on throtl.com. So if you want to get your car onto Battle of the Builds, you can get entered to win a $100 gift card to our site. You can buy merch or car parts or whatever. 100% free to enter. It takes like less than a minute to enter your car. From there, anyone can vote. And even if you don't enter your car, you can go onto the site right now and vote for all sorts of different cars. Vote for your favorite projects, and the winner, the top number of votes for the week, we're doing it every week, the top number of votes for the week is gonna win a $100 gift card. So it's super simple. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you guys briefly about is something we've been working on in the background for several months now. And we're finally able to talk to you because this Friday, we are going to be launching what we're calling throtlVIP 2.0. So throtlVIP, if you don't know, throtlVIP is our car club. It's a car club for all car enthusiasts, whether you like Fords, whether you like JDM cars, Euro cars, trucks, exotics, it doesn't matter. throtlVIP is an awesome club that we created for everyone. You get discounts on car parts and merchandise through us. You get discounts at local places like Advanced Auto Parts, Instant Oil Change, even Papa John's. On top of that, you get exclusive content and behind the scenes stuff from the Throtl team. So we have a VIP Facebook group that's only made for VIP members, and in there, Mickey, Ricky, myself, Rick, everyone on the Throtl team goes in there. We're doing weekly live streams, we're posting, we're judging people's builds. It's really a good time. So if you do know someone who's a VIP member, I'm sure they can attest to that. But VIP has really stepped up, and on this Friday, we are launching a brand new mobile app for Throtl, and is really going to be geared towards VIP members. So this is going to be your hub where you can access all of your benefits for throtlVIP and learn really what the platform is all about. Now, on top of that, we also are releasing a brand new merchandise box that's going to be included with VIP membership. So all new products are going to be inside. We have a Throtl license plate frame, we have Throtl valve stem caps, we got the Gorilla Grip gloves, t-shirt, and a few other accessories like stickers and that kind of thing. Those are all going to be in the box, and that's going to be starting this Friday. So brand new box this Friday, brand new mobile app, all new experience for VIPs. And if you have not checked out the website for VIP, go check it out. The link is in the description. Learn a little bit more. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or shoot me an email. We'll pop those up on the screen right now. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. And we sincerely appreciate your guys' support on this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.